Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In the blink of an eye, we have already come into the eighth part of speech, which is the article. Before we get into the content, don't forget to click the subscribe button underneath this video screen and also turn on the notification bell so you won't be missing any update or video or even YouTube shorts from our channel. To start off, let us tell you the definition of article taken from Oxford Learner's Dictionary. So articles are actually the words an for indefinite article or the for definite articles. And this part of speech could be the main problem for several language learners, because in some languages there is no such thing as article, and learners usually got confused how to differentiate between and the. But no need to worry about that, because in this video we're going to explain it completely, and you can always ask us any question if you have any. So an, and the. Let's start with a. As everybody has known, or maybe if this is the first time you hearing it, is used in front of a singular noun with a noun that started with a consonant sound. So there is a misconception that says, oh, at least as long as it is started with a consonant letter, it would be using a. But no, it's much more complex than that. It should be started with a consonant sound. For example, uniform. We know that uniform is started with the letter U. It is a vowel, but the first sound is U, as in uniform. If we hear it carefully, U, the first sound is not U, but it is U. So that's why you say a uniform, not an uniform. For the example, as you can see on your screen, she bought a dress yesterday. Going to the second one, an is used in front of a singular noun with a noun with a vowel sound. Back again, it is a sound, not a letter. So this is quite easier than before. We can just say, my best friend Louis gives me an apple every day. My best friend Louis gives me an apple every day. Apple, the first sound is and it is a vowel sound. So that's why you have to put an before the word apple. The last one is the. This is quite tricky because it's quite similar with a or an, but the is used in front of all nouns, no matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, either countable or uncountable, to describe something unique, something very specific, maybe only one in the world. For example, we saw the Eiffel Tower when we visited Paris last week. We saw the Eiffel Tower when we visited Paris last week. There is only one tower named as Eiffel Tower in the world. That's why it's proper when you want to use the rather than a. Because when you say a or an, for example, an Eiffel Tower, it means there is more than one tower named Eiffel throughout the world. And that's not right. Okay, so we think that's all about the explanations today, even though articles are quite short for the explanations, but they could be very tricky. So make sure to always keep exercising, because by exercising regularly, we can get the concept and the main idea on how to use each article properly. As usual, if you have any question about our video or you have any requests about another topic of the video, feel free to contact us. You can see our contact information on the description box, and until the next video, we hope you the best of luck, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.